Protect your bike, property, and personal belongings with this smart lock. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Nulock Smart Lock. This lock can be used for bikes, property, and your personal belongings. The company sent this out for me to review. You can pick this up online for $35, and I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the lock. The Nulock Smart Lock that can protect your belongings and property. This is a Bluetooth controlled device, and it features an alarm that is 110 decibels. You can control it within 50 feet of the lock. It has a 10mm braided steel cable. It's waterproof, compatible with Android, iOS, and it's powered by 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. And it has a low battery indicator. It comes with a manual, a factory password for activation, and a carrying pouch. The lock is constructed very well. This is the button to manually arm the lock, and right above it is the LED indicator that shows the current state. Red is locked, blue is unlocked. This is a speaker for the 110 decibel alarm. On the side, you will find this red button, and this is how you release the cable. You can see the thick, sturdy 10mm braided steel cable. On the back is where the 3 AAA batteries are. There are 2 screws that you need to remove, and then the cover will come off. If the lock is active and someone tries to remove the screw, it will alarm. The battery compartment has a silicone cover to provide some protection from the elements. Now I'll briefly go over how to set up the lock with the app. Download the Nulock app. Open the app and make sure you have Bluetooth enabled. Click the Add button on the upper right. It will begin to scan for the device. Once detected, enter the factory password that came in the box. You can change this later in the settings. When you are connected, you will see it on the main dashboard. When you click on the device, it will bring up the options. Here you see the battery percentage on the top. It will alert you when the battery is at a low level. You have the unlock button, auto unlock if you're in range, vibration, notification, change password, and change name. This is how it sounds when you unlock it. Now you can release the cable by pressing the button on the side. And manually arm it again by pressing the button. The auto unlock feature allows you to automatically unlock the device when you are in Bluetooth range, within 50 feet. I'll turn it on now and you can see it unlocked. The blue indicator is flashing. I'll turn off the Bluetooth to simulate that we are out of range, and the lock will arm itself. It arms itself when you are out of range of Bluetooth, and now the indicator is blinking red. The alarm can activate in 3 ways: if the cable is compromised, the battery compartment is being tampered, or by vibration. I will turn the vibration feature on and turn off Bluetooth to simulate that we are out of range so it can arm. I will shake the lock and it will sound a warning beep. If vibration is detected again, then the alarm will sound. A very loud piercing sound that will surely attract attention. And finally, if someone tries to remove the batteries while it's armed, this is what will happen. Nulock Smart Lock. This is a well-constructed lock with many features. It's versatile enough so it can be used to secure your bike, property, and personal belongings. The Bluetooth integration makes it convenient so you don't have to remember any codes or fumble around with keys. And of course, the 110 decibel alarm can bring attention to an unwanted situation. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.